Hi, this is Gadget Man 404 and this is a return home mission flight with the Hubsan H502e or the X4 Desire. I've just done a 300-meter flight and with my new mods, with my new motors, and it's really quite windy today and she's handled herself excellently. I am so surprised she's done as well as she has. Now I can't actually see on the camera yet. She's coming down, I don't know. There she is, she's in view now. I should have that flight on video. Just disarm those motors. So yeah, I've just done a 300-meter flight and she did really well. So I've done 300 meters, returned to home, no problems. I was about 30 meters high. It's very windy today, so that's why I haven't gone too far and I haven't gone too high, because if it starts to fail then the wind can take it away and I don't want to lose her. I've only just got her back after a break with the last crash, which was over that tree in another cow field just beyond there, just over there, and I had to walk miles around to a public footpath down to those other side of those trees, and then she was just other side of that tree but about middle of that field. So I've deliberately left the FPV setup on because that's what it's always going to be carrying. Sorry for the shake, but it's absolutely freezing. I've got two coats on and I'm absolutely frozen, but she's handled herself amazingly. I think I'm still recording actually, so I need to stop that. I've noticed when you fly with this quad, try and get somewhere there's no reflection. Now the battery showing is 3 sticks, but when I was flying 300 meters away it was showing as nearly empty. That's why I came home. Sorry for the shake, but I am absolutely frozen. So I don't know, obviously when your motors are going they're using more power, but yeah, I don't know what's going off there, but it's still showing me it's got a lot of power left, like 3 signals, so I'm going to have a fly in this field. So yeah, Gadget Man 404 with 300-meter flight out.